Hi students, let's talk about your graphite options for this project. So today I'm going to focus on just talking about graphite. We are going to learn more about charcoal when we get to our next unit. And so today we're just going to talk about these objects that you see. A bunch of graphite pencils, kneaded eraser, and a blending tortillon. Now this organic shapes project is going to be all graphite. We're going to work with charcoal when we work with some portrait drawing. Right off the bat, it's good to review that there are different types of pencils. Okay, so F means that it is going to be a really hard lead. HB is right in the middle, and then B is soft. HB is actually kind of just a regular number 2 pencil, by the way. So you'll notice if you look through your supplies that you will have a 2B, a 4B, and a 6B. Here's kind of what they look like. Here's the 2B. Here is the 4B. And then here is the 6B. Okay, generally on this scale, the softer the lead, the darker it will get. And the harder the lead, the lighter it is. So there's kind of a spectrum. And so we have 2B, 4B, and 6B, and these are great pencils for shading with. 2B is great to make lighter values, and then 6B is also really great for making really dark values. So those are those pencils. We also have a few other graphite pencils in our kit, especially if you bought the General's drawing kit. So this one is called a General's Sketch and Wash. So this one's going to be on the lighter side, and it also has a harder lead. And this one is called Extra Black. So those are all of our graphite pencils. We have 5 of them. Now let's talk about our blending tortillon. And this thing is really nice to use for blending things. If you kind of rub it on some area of graphite, you can kind of work that out and create an even lighter value. You can kind of pull different values from different areas, and you can soften up values as well if they were scribbled in. So this is really nice. It doesn't really work very well on the sketch and wash, so I recommend you don't use that for shading. These 4 are probably your best shading options for graphite. So let's talk about your kneaded eraser. This thing is really nice when you're making value projects because you can flatten it out into a larger area to erase lots of stuff at one time, or if you kind of pinch it, you can refine it so that it only erases a few things. So this is nice when you're doing subtractive artwork or when you need to add highlights, because it will make really precise eraser marks. If you're looking at that line I just made. So these are the supplies you will definitely need for our organic shapes project. I recommend that you at least work with the 2B, the 4B, and the 6B while we finish this.